You may be wondering, everywhere is a blood path in the stock market, and is there any stocks to consider on this market? Well, the stock market legend William O'Neill says there is a bull market somewhere. Let's see what we can find. This is Run Up Stocks channel, and I am Rajendran Selvaraj. 4 stocks. But before we jump into that, let's see how the market is doing quickly. So today market is little up after last 3 days red path, and today is around 1% up in the Nasdaq and 0.25% up in the S&P 500. But last week or the last 5 days, it's 4% down in the S&P 500 and 5% down in the Nasdaq. 5% down in the Nasdaq. Let's look into the heat map. So one day it's okay, and let's see 1 week performance. It's everywhere blood path, and see is there any stocks outperforming on this pretty bear market. Here is one, EXPD, Expeditor International Washington. That's up 6% in the last week, which is good. And then look into this one, ALB, Albernate Corporation, which is 12% up in the last 1 week. That is on the basic material. And here is one in the consumer difference, Clarex company, which is 5% up. So if you want to find a stock which is doing okay or doing better, that can be doing well. If a stock is doing better in the bear market or red days, that stock can do better for upcoming days. That's what my mentor taught me. So you can look into in the finviz heat map, and you can look for the stock. Okay, let's jump into the stocks. Today we are going to see 2 stocks in this section. The first one is Global Ocean, ticker symbol GOGL, Global Ocean. It's a shipping company, and it's been doing really good over the year. And we all know that the supply chain is broken really hard, and we need these key shipping companies help. So these companies can be better option. Also, if we look into the pattern in here, there is a double bottom, and also there is a cup and handle pattern. So that gives that this stock can run in a better way for upcoming days. See if we can enter into. And then the next stock is OXY, Occidental Petroleum. So this stock has a nice run from last year. It's an energy stock, and see it is running and pulling back. It's going up and pulling back and going up and pulling back. It's a stage by stage, so it's going up and pulling back. It's a good signal that we can buy. Also, another thing on this stock is Warren Buffett has a huge take on this stock, so definitely worth watching it. So those are the 2 stocks on this section. So do you think the stocks can run like a horse? Let's see. covered call section. In this section, we are going to see a stock Centene, ticker symbol CNC, CNC, Centene. It's a insurance, medical insurance company, and it has a good run over the year. And even it's doing okay for the last. It's not dropping down much. It's doing okay for the month, and for a year, it's been up almost $10, which is about 15% up. So this is for the call option, and let's look into the call option. So let's look June month, June expiration. So June expiration, if you look into the strike price 82.50, right now it's trading around 80, and if you're considering it 82.50, which is $2.73, which is a good return. And if you want a little more, then you can try 85 strike price with the $1.85 premium in it. So see how this can do, and let's see the horses. Call option. In this section, we are going to see a stock CLR, ticker symbol CLR, Continental Resources. It's an energy company. It's been doing pretty good over the year, 25%, $25, which is almost 100% up over the last year. So let's see the options. So I think the September options looks really good. September 70 call, it's trading reasonable price at 370, and it has 370, it has a pretty good volume, and also implied volatility 60%, so which can give us nice spike, and also it's a pretty good price. So you can try and see how that comes. Let's see the horses again. Food for thoughts. In this section, we are going to see a book called Make Money in the Stocks, a Winning System in Good Times and Bad, by William O'Neill. William O'Neill is a legend. He is the founder of the IBD, Investors Business Daily. So it's a very good book, and there are a couple of notes which I get it in this book. Is he says there is a bull market somewhere, either in the bond market or treasury, or in emerging market, or some Middle East, or wherever. There will be a bull market always somewhere, and then let's the winners run and cut the losers early. So whatever the stocks, we will be holding up the losers to come back, but he argues that keep the winners running up more and more and cut the losers early. That's another take. And then take profit as 50%, 100%, and 200%. Don't be greedy too much, like 300% or 400%. So he argues like that. So that's all the stocks and books for today. Finally, the content on this video is not a financial advice. So this is my own personal analysis and interest. So you can do much analysis your own. As an investor, you should always know that there will be a risk comes with it by default. So you need to always think about your objectives, risk, charges on any trade or any investment you are going to make. So that's about. And then I strongly believe that no one has predicted the guaranteed success in the stock market, and no one will be in the future as well. So, so thank you for watching. And if you like the content, or if you thought it's helpful or interesting enough, then please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.